Massive flood in Ghana made the prophet who built an act in December that the world was going to come to an end on the 25th of December, that God was going to send a flood in the world. It has made this prophet to come back and said he saw the vision and that the people did not believe him. Record-breaking flood occurred in Ghana, as I'm talking to you right now, in Ghana, and some people have died. Businesses have been destroyed. You could see goods. In fact, it swept across Accra. This is the biggest flood ever recorded in the history of Accra, that even the president himself was shocked about what happened. Now, this man of God, Noah, in 2025, built a very big act that he has been instructed by God to build this act. That God said he was going to send water to come and sweep the face of the earth. That whoever is not in that is act will not be safe. This prophet was arrested. He was arrested, interrogated, and I don't know how he came out from prison. Now that flood has hit Accra so hard, the prophet has now come out to say that he said it, and they did not believe him. And that worse flood is going to come, and that this time around it will sweep across. Ladies and gentlemen, the flood in Accra was really, really bad.
Oh, Master.